I have become the best known sport flooring contractor in the world, and I'm just getting started. Paul Nelson with Western Sport Floors, Wyoming Wood Floors, coming to you today from Kalispell, Montana. We are at Russell Elementary School. We've just installed a brand new gymnasium floor. I have with me my friend, Mr. Jerry Brainerd.
That's right.
Revolution Manufacturing out of
Eau Claire, Wisconsin.
Oh, a Packer fan, I bet.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, that's awesome. Jerry, this is your creation here. Tell us a little bit about what this thing is.
Well, we wanted to bring the rider technology into the residential market. So we designed a smaller unit than the sport floor guys use that enables you to get in the house, around doors, into kitchens, wherever, and you can edge, sand, just like the big sport floor guys. But then we found out that it pushes and pulls the sport floor machines just as well as the residential machines. So now not only are we open to the residential market, but we're also in the sport floor industry.
Jerry, this was an impressive machine. We just had it on site here. We edged a good part of this gym in a very few minutes. This thing ran the edger. Really interesting what you put together. I don't think there's a hardwood floor guy anyway. We love what we do. But we're not always so crazy about etching.
Yes.
This made etching a piece of cake.
One of our first goals was to make edging much easier. And as you'll see in the videos, we're set up for the edger on the front and it's clocked to the left, so you're running right up to that wall. And you're actually putting about this much of a sweet spot onto the floor versus like a quarter on regular edging. So we were able to go around this whole gym in about 6 minutes per cut, and that's just one rotation. But yeah, we made it for edging purposes so that it was a lot easier on the back.
And it was impressive that we talked about this a little bit. The one thing that we both noticed was that the machine was very uniform all the way around it. I mean, it did a really uniform, impressive job of edging.
The consistency of cut will give you many results. One is an even, consistent, homogeneous cut, plus your abrasive life goes so much longer. And when you hear the motor on the edger going around the floor, you hear it just going instead of, when you're going by hand, it's going, you're up and down the RPMs. That's a difference in temperature.
So not only can you edge with this machine, but you can certainly hook, and you were telling me you have mounts for Hummel, American, Clark, Galaxy, whatever kind of a machine you have, big machine, you can hook onto this.
Yes, we can hook up to any floor sanding machine. There's a couple that we haven't tried yet, but I know we can do it, so it doesn't matter. We've hooked up to Trios, 3DSs, every big machine that there is out there. Now the beautiful thing about this for residential is if you got a bigger floor and you got a big great room or big living room, you can run this on on your big sander and go and get that done within minutes. And then what you do is you just, if you go into the kitchen and you just want to walk it, you pull 2 pins, less than 2 seconds. Now you're walking that machine, and you don't have to change anything because we built this so that it matches up to stock machines. There's no changing of lengths of handles or anything.
Jerry, really, really impressive. I appreciate you coming all the way to Montana to do a demo for us, and we're going to share it with the rest of the world here. If you're a residential guy or a gym floor contractor that wants some help with your edging, this is a very interesting machine to look at. Jerry, what's your website?
Our website is www.floordog.com.
www.floordog.com.
Roof.
Jerry Brainerd, I
Paul
appreciate
Nelson.
you coming by.
Thank you for having us.
For Western Sport Floors, Wyoming Wood Floors, this is Paul Nelson coming to you from Kalispell, Montana. You make it a great day.